Hi everybody, I have a quick recipe for you, something that we always run to the grocery for sometimes. Cake flour. You can do it for yourself at home. Let's get started. First, you don't want to pack your flour into your measuring cup, right? So what I would normally do is scoop my flour into the measuring cup like this. You want to scoop it into the measuring. So we're going to do 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay. Alright, so now I have my 2 cups of flour. I am now going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. But before we add the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, we're going to remove 2 level tablespoons of flour. 1, 2. And now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1, 2. We're going to mix it and sip it. Now this could last up to 8 weeks once in a properly sealed container. Now I will sift this 2 times. So I'm using a sealed container to put this away, and I'm going to use this to make some cookies. As I said, this could last 8 weeks, but this isn't going to last even 3 days because I am going to a family gathering and I'm going to take some cookies with me. So that's how easy I made my cake flour. The next flour that I'm going to make is self-rising flour, so look out for that demo coming soon. Thanks for watching. Look out for self-rising flour. Bye now.